In this video, I'm going to show you how to find Nike on Hacoo. So the first thing you want to do is go to the very top to the search box and type in Nike. And then you want to search for that. And if it says nothing, so if you can't find anything, there's no results, it may be because of one of three reasons. So the first reason may be because they're simply not in stock, because those things are usually very limited on Hacoo and they go very quick. So you should be checking pretty much all the time, or maybe even every day, if you want to see some Nike products on here. So that's the first reason why you may not be seeing it. The second thing you can try to be able to find Nike is to go to your profile down to the bottom right and make sure you're logged in. If you're logged in, usually it's no way and you won't be able to see any brands on Hacoo. So once you're logged in, you want to go top right, click those three lines, and then go to region and change your region to something different from the United States or wherever you currently are, because this may help as well. Then try checking out if you can see them, and if that doesn't help either, what you can try is changing the language to Spanish, okay? So even if you can't speak Spanish, it's still quite easy to navigate around, even though you don't understand the language. So as you can see, Espanol is over here. You're gonna click on it and it's gonna start refreshing, and then you can try searching for it over here. Just go and type in Nike and hopefully you'll be able to find it. So for some people this has worked as well. If none of these methods work for you, what you're gonna have to do is simply just wait for them to restock this and essentially make it available in your current region at the current time. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.